Oh my god, should I do one of those like...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did my friend Neves' makeup and I just did, you know, a nice little glam for her. Yeah, so if you want to see me doing this, then keep on watching. And we asked questions throughout, stop it. We asked questions throughout the video too, so you know, if you're in the video, holla.
Enjoy the cloud.
Okay, since Neve has like really dark eyebrows already, I'm just gonna hardly fill them in with the e.l.f. kit.
See, this is my dot eyebrow. She's not as cute. She ugly. Is she like doing that like twirly thing? Holy fuck, you've made my eyebrows thick.
I just went on your eyebrow, like your thing. Now I'm just gonna get some of her concealer and clean up the bottoms of her brows and hopefully make it less
Look at the fucking
bold.
Okay, when and how did we first meet?
Good question.
Like school?
Were we in form class together? Camp.
Holy fuck!
Year 10
that shit was
camp.
awful.
It was the worst.
I wanted to die.
Oh my god.
Camp fucking sucks ass. Like, hey, let's drive you out an hour.
Yeah, let's drive you an hour out of Wellington and make you sleep on the hard floor.
While it rains and you get soaking wet. It's fine. Who is your best friend's hero? The fuck?
I don't like that one.
I don't
Skip. I'm my own hero.
If you could go
Jan Pierce.
Fuck. My mother?
Yeah, Jan Pierce. I'm gonna, with the same concealer too, I'm just gonna prime her eyelids, so.
What is your favorite color?
Are we supposed to like,
I think we're meant to answer these questions.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color? It changes. What is your best friend's biggest fear? Who the fuck talks about this shit? Oh, my biggest fear is...
well, I'm gonna grab the Morphe 35M palette and set her eyelids before they crease. So now we're gonna go in with her foundation and we're gonna do a mixture of the LA Girl and the Fenty Beauty foundation because she fake tans and you really just gotta...
Oh my god, look at the patch.
Yuck.
Look. God, you don't use a lot, do you?
Well, I don't know how much you use.
Connor Butler asked Dad, but we're gonna cut that out. Who Dad? Will your next video be a bukkake? If not, I'm gonna unsubscribe. Well, no. Amy asked, why are you such a meme?
Shut up, Amy.
Okay. Ruben asked, would you eat someone's ass if they were like real hot but they hadn't cleaned? No.
Ruben's, go away.
No, the answer is no. Okay, we have a serious question now. So.
Okay, go. This is Ella as well?
This is Ella Persa. So thanks for your question. How do you guys think of different looks to do, especially with color? Because I always find I do something. Do the same thing. Sorry. Probably Instagram or like watching YouTube. You get inspiration. How do you think of different looks?
Yeah, I feel like you just gotta look at heaps of photos and then just go for it. Yeah.
Wow, when she uses the amount of concealer I use.
Oops. Or I reckon, like, if you feel like wearing a color, just go for it. Even if you
like mix different colors as well. Like even colors you don't think would go. Jade turn.
No.
No.
Don't.
Decay, no.
Oh, well, like, yes, but like, I'm not putting that question in.
Wow, what a match. Okay, between the two of us, who takes the longest to get ready?
Oh, me.
It depends.
Yeah. I reckon it's because I do eyeshadow a lot of the time.
Yeah, I don't do eyeshadow. Does your best friend have any nicknames? Kaza.
And
That.
yeah.
Okay, no, you're not contouring my nose like that.
No.
You gotta do it on these.
No.
Yes, you are. Otherwise, I'll look ugly, and that's not happening. Oh, she's nice. Who's she?
She's Give Me Sun.
Hello, give me some.
Yeah. I think she'd match you because she's orange.
Yeah, she's a little bit light for you.
Yeah, but only because I'm
Black at the moment,
Do you bronze your neck?
No. Oh, you gotta do my jawline though.
That's what I just meant.
Well,
Move your hair.
that's different. This is neck, jawline, you know?
Oh, same-ish. I forgot to like mention everything, so I'm just gonna link. So like, when I was filming, I forgot to mention the products that I was using. So I'm just gonna put it down in the description box. Not that anyone reads it, but it's gonna be there, so yeah. What?
What the fuck is that question? What's your best friend's favorite kind of sandwich? Like,
You don't
how
have
many
sandwiches?
times do you eat a sandwich?
Hard.
What's your best friend's favorite animal?
A dog, yeah.
A dog. Meg, rest in peace, baby girl. Oh my god, is your best friend a spendthrift, or do they like to save their money? What money?
Neve doesn't like saving her money.
Saving money is boring. Like, live your life, spend money, you know?
Yeah, but you spend your mom's money.
Thanks, Dan Pierce, for the coin. Jonathan Rich said, everyone keeps on asking us to have a threesome and I'm over it, okay? I'm a child of God.
And I'm over it.
What's a threesome? Cam Irving said, how cool am I?
Too cool.
Too cool for school.
Oh my god. So me and Neve, we like freelance together, but we never like
do each other's makeup.
Yeah. So this is actually the first time I've done her makeup before.
I think everyone needs to realize that they're actually just getting clout from this.
But anyway, me and Neve freelance around Wellington for like 3 years, and this will be our 4th year if we continue doing it. And usually like
Jonathan Rich said,
can you stop interrupting me?
That was a joke, you bitch. Don't see me, wifey. Stop giving people the scene.
When me and Neve do freelancing, I usually do the eyeshadow, and Neve does the
face.
It's just so much faster that way, I reckon. Because remember, like our first appointment,
we used to do it, and we took so long. It'd be like an appointment would take 3 fucking hours.
But now we can do someone's makeup in like 2 people's makeup in like 40 minutes.
No, I think we should do like a boy talk video, like ask shitty questions about fuckboys and shit.
I've never come across one.
Have you never witnessed a fuckboy?
No. Well, like,
whoa, someone's
not one that I've had feelings for, like serious feelings for.
Fuck yeah. I'm just going for people that break my heart.
Close your eyes. I'm trying to cut your crease. Keep your eyes closed.
Why? Be brave. Guys, she got a Mac. It's so fucking funny teaching her how to use it. Oh yeah, I had to teach her how to find photos. That was funny. It's fun. Do you want me to open these Snapchats from Jonathan Rich?
Yeah.
I didn't even realise what Jonathan Rich looked like. I thought he was Asian.
Jonathan Leach.
Oh. Jonathan Rich, I mean. I thought he was Asian. Is he not?
No, he's so, very much so not Asian.
You're gonna do like that glitter line?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do that with?
A glitter liner that I'll find. Okay, you need to keep your eyes actually closed.
Wait, hold up.
Like, God, actually closed. Stop creasing. Oh, okay. Good job, Neve.
Can I open?
No!
It looks cool!
Yes, I know it looks cool. Is this your new look?
Someone's a cockier.
But like now, look what you've done. Okay, can you keep your eyes closed, please, princess? Okay,
Can I
open
open?
your eyes? She's kind of cute.
I like her, but she makes my eyes look fucking elusive.
This one?
A little bit more right there. This fucking brush is smooth. Feels good, right?
Mascara and lashes.
Oh fuck, okay. Didn't realize we were filming, go.
Oh, she looks cute with the eye look. Wow, are you taking over? Okay, well, since Neve stuffed up her glitter, I'm gonna do this again.
It doesn't dry.
It does, you're just impatient.
It's cause when I want something, I get it.
Okay, you're gonna keep your eyes closed. She's not as cute now.
I wish I did this eye look for the coal ball.
Yeah, it matches you, I reckon.
What did I do for the coal ball? Oh, I just did like a little one.
Why are you doing it with your eyes closed?
Because I know my nose.
Okay, well,
I don't wear lipstick.
yeah, but I'm gonna put your gloss.
Oh, okay. Ooh, this one. You know what my biggest makeup regret is?
What?
The skull ball. I should do my own makeup. Good?
Like if you and your best friend don't like lipstick.
That shit's whack.
Yeah.
I own too many for someone that doesn't like it. Can I open now?
Oh. Oh, finished look.
Fuck, these eyelashes are heavy.
Really? Those are the ones I wear every day.
It's probably because I'm not used to it though.
Okay, so this is the finished look that I did on Neve. I hope you enjoyed. Before I leave, I want to say thanks for peeping my first video.
How many subscribers do you have now?
I don't know, but so many more views than I thought, and I'm really happy. So like, keep it up.
Praise the Lord.
Lol.
Low
So, yeah,
XD roar.
thank you so much.
Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just did a simple look.